What's going on, Crafty Nistas? So, I recently returned to my favorite store Tuesday morning, and I wanted to do this separately. I wanted to show this tag punch because I was just excited about it. It's from the DIY party collection from We Are Memory Keepers. You can see in the picture here, it creates its own little hook and latch here, so you don't have to make a hole up at the top of it. But I wanted to demonstrate this and show what I came up with looking at it. Okay, so I just finished playing with the new tag punch that I picked up, and I made these tags. I put some stickles around this two-sided paper here and just put a ribbon. I just strategically put it around here so when I actually use it I can fold it how I want. Then I just put some tulle and made a bow around this, and this is also two-sided paper, and I can put something else down here to go on that. I just didn't do too much in detail just so I could show how that is. So let's see, using the tag punch. So it has 3 different measurements down here. It has the 1 inch, the 1.5, and then the 2-inch alignments. And depending on which size you use is the shape that you're going to get. You get more of the curve with the 2-inch, of course. Then you get a little bit with the 1.5, and then you just get the square corners with the 1. So, and then, yeah, let's see. Here's the 2-inch. So we're using, this is just the 2-inch, and I'm going to slide this all the way in there. Make sure I slide it all the way in until it stops, and then I'm just going to easily push down on it, and then you can see it automatically gives it that kind of curve. And I'm going to go ahead and do, whoops, that's actually a 2. The 1.5, I'm going to push that all until it won't go anymore. And then I'm going to do the 1. And this is just old cardstock I'm using. I actually was looking through my cardstock and my papers, and I have a whole bunch of just one-sided paper there. So what you're going to do is you're going to still take the scored part, but you're going to take this part and you're going to take it over like so. And then just as I did this way, I could have done it the other way. I just folded it the opposite way. So I hope this isn't confusing. Okay, so let's take this, fold it down, then let's take this and pop it in the window like that, and it just interlocks. So when you had two-sided paper, you could do it either side, and then you can embellish that up, use it plain. Like I said, you can just flip that around and do it the other way. And then you can see this one is the one that's the square, and then this one may have been a little bit off-centered because I have, yeah, it's supposed to be this, the rounded color, the rounded corners here. So I may have cut mine off a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. If I had my measurements right, it would have been rounded like that. And then this is the 2-inch one. And all we're going to do is, you're going to take that pre-scored part, but you're going to take this part, flip it up, and just lock it in there like that. And then it's interlocked, and you have your two-sided paper, and then you can embellish that. It's lots of different ideas. So I hope that wasn't too confusing on there, but here it is. I'm going to pop that out one more time and show. All you're going to do is take that scored part, fold it down, and then you're going to take your little flip flag here, and then you're going to just flip it up in there and lock it. And so I thought this was a cute little tab punch that I just picked up at Tuesday morning, and I wanted to share that little project. It makes the cutest little tags. So if you're interested in this product and you don't have a Tuesday morning or can't find it, I also left a link in the description box for Amazon. See you later, Craftinista.